So, a warm welcome to you all. We will be on the way very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. And our live game is the Netherlands against Finland. I'm your commentator, Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Begley.
Thanks for the intro, Peter. I've been soaking up the atmosphere, and I'm really looking forward to what lies in store.
So off we go then. Reinders. Who's going to make this theirs? Face to face with the keeper. Oh, and they really should have been made to pay.
Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
That's a poor kick by the keeper, he's just given it straight back. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Van der Ven. Gakpo. Simons passes it through. And the finish! It's come loose. Saved only by poor finishing.
Yeah, we love a trier, Peter, but it has to be a far greater quality to beat the keeper from there. Well, this has been an aggressive attacking start from them. They've been very much on the front foot, and if they maintain this pressure, it's looking very good for them.
Qualifiers looks to thread it through. Gets it back. Forward it goes. Reinders. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. Lod. So it is still 0-0. Taylor. Ball is over the line. Spoon forward. Van der Ven. He's made sure that that won't get through. Finland have a free kick. Gakpo. Now the pass. Kluivert beats the offside trap. He's dealt with that well. Jensen. Thrust towards the front line. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Geertruida. Gakpo plays it out to the flank. Gakpo. Big chance! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, I can only add that he's got reflexes that are in perfect working order, Peter. That was very good to watch.
Reinders tries a long pass towards the front. Taylor. He ran himself into trouble there, free kick given away. Schüller. Looks like a good ball through. Reinders. Tries to get it forward quickly. The goal now would certainly liven things up. Good spell of possession this, but very little to show for it. Lod needed to come up with a better ball.
He timed this run brilliantly, and I think he has every right to be a little annoyed with the passer then, and I think he's letting him know right now about that. Just a little more behind it was needed.
Simons crosses it in low. Decent clearance now. Can anyone get on the end of it? Van der Ven. Jensen absolutely focused then on the... There's the end of the first half. How's the first half compared with your expectation?
The Netherlands may probably be feeling a little aggrieved about not capitalising on such a bright start.
Just a quick
Their mood at half-time should be more upbeat. The glass remains half full and it should spur them on.
So they head in no further forward. The score here still 0-0.
The Netherlands playing well with lots of opportunities and plenty positives to take from the first half. Despite this scoreline, converting chances would make a world of difference for them.
Schüller. Taylor. Goes pulsing down that left-hand side. And he's there to cut it out. It's a long forward pass. Aimed long and direct. Coaxed out to the wing. Loose ball, who's going to get that? Tries a through ball. He's pinged one through here. And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. And he's there to make a great save.
He made that look really easy, Peter, but I can assure you that wasn't a routine save. He had to be very switched on there.
Massive leap! Fair attempt, just the wrong outcome.
Well, if he hopes to do better than that, he's got to work on his technique and his timing. The contact wasn't right there, so there wasn't much chance of success.
Lod, more than happy to take the muscular approach. Managed to get it away. Lod pumps it upfield, looks to slip it through. Ball swung in. Towering header! Oh, what a lovely delivery. It deserved better.
Well, if only the calibre of the finish was as high as the calibre of the supply. I mean, that was a beautifully played cross and really should have seen something better on the end of it.
Tries to get it forward quickly. That's a throw. Gakpo. It's a loose ball. Good claim by the keeper. Certainly earned his keep there. Schüller. Not long left, and still we await the breakthrough. Aimed long and direct. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? Great leap! That's a half-decent try.
Oh, he couldn't have hit that any better. Any other time it would have sneaked in.
Van de Ven positions himself well and cuts it out. Who's going to make this theirs? Lod. Showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Talk about singling someone out.
Look, stopping him is imperative. It may not eliminate trouble, but it'll reduce it.
He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, and it was a case of good awareness too. That wasn't quite matched by the right weight of pass. It only needed just a little bit more behind it, and he was through.
Here Truida doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Cuts it out. Lod battles to win it back. Van Dijk pumps it forwards. Aim forward. Taylor looking to get on the end of this. Up to meet it! Oh, just couldn't turn it in.
Oh, they really wanted that. There's so many players in the box. Everyone's committed to attack now.
Substitution in progress.
Spoon forward. None shall pass, that's the message there. Tries a through ball. Oh, good interception. Kamara. Jensen. Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that. Now the pass. Has he found his man?
Minutes has been indicated.
Shapes to shoot. He's done very well to get to that.
Keeper has shown great concentration there. I think his anticipation pretty much did the trick for him.
Substitutions taking place.
And that's that. And stalemate. One, if not for fans, then perhaps for coaches. Satisfied by organisation and solidity. Little cutting edge at either end. And it finishes 0-0. Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Listen, I think they certainly met their match here. There was a lovely ebb and flow to the encounter, but very little to choose between the teams, and so we've ended up with an entertaining share of the spoils.
Well, that's it for tonight's match, so it just remains for me to thank Jim Beglin alongside me and to wish you all a very good evening.
And we come to you now with a quick request for support from our charity fund.